AQ Snooker's Coach Certification Program. Under Vision 2032, I would like to welcome another coach from another country, that is Singapore, Mr. Andy. He has recently completed his certification for AQ Snooker and Snooker Canada. So now he is also a dual certified with his outstanding performance. So I welcome him to AQ Snooker family and Snooker Canada's family. If you want to become a certified snooker coach, you want to learn the secrets of becoming a good coach, you can join our AQ's coaching method and get certification from AQ and from Snooker Canada and get affiliation with world's renowned bodies. With this certification, you can not only help your students within your country, within your club, but you can find a very good job, or even you can open your own academy. So don't wait, our numbers are there, and we would like to appreciate all previous coaches and upcoming coaches. There are a few more coaches coming up very soon. So join AQ Snooker Coach Certification Program.